So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters, and then you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for your device installed. I'm also going to leave 3 links down below for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. So for me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, and I downloaded the GeForce Experience. So now once you're in your software, you want to click on the drivers tab, and then click on check for updates. Make sure the graphics card drivers are fully up to date for the software itself. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. Don't worry, we're not actually going to reset the PC. Instead, once you're on this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now, and then click on restart now again. And now once you're on this, you want to click on troubleshoot, and then click on advanced options, and then you want to click on startup settings. If you do not see startup settings, you want to click on see more recovery options, then it should appear over here. So you want to click on startup settings, and then click on restart. And now once you're on this, you want to click on either 5 or F5, which will then enable safe mode with networking. So I'm just going to click on F5 on my keyboard. You could also click on 5. Wait for this to load. And now once you're on this, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And now you want to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Now once the scan's been completed, you just want to restart your computer again, and then the problem should be fixed. It will take you back to normal Windows.